Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? YouTube automation might just be your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine running multiple income-generating YouTube channels without recording a single video yourself. Sounds intriguing? In today's podcast, we're diving deep into how YouTube automation works, its earning potential, and the secrets to building a scalable, automated channel. So grab your headphones. This is a conversation you don't want to miss. Welcome to Future Minded. I'm your host, Daniel, and joining us today is none other than Michael, a YouTube automation expert who has guided countless creators in turning their channels into passive income machines. Welcome, Michael.
Thank you, Daniel. I'm thrilled to be here and to share everything I've learned about this exciting world of automation.
Let's jump straight into it. Michael, for those who are unfamiliar, what exactly is YouTube automation, and why is it generating so much buzz?
That's a great starting point. YouTube automation involves outsourcing or automating all aspects of running a YouTube channel, such as script writing, video editing, voiceovers, and even SEO optimization. The key is to create systems where you're not the one handling these tasks. It's like being the CEO of your channel while your team or tools do the heavy lifting.
Let's start with the big question everyone has in mind. How much money can someone actually make with YouTube automation?
The earning potential is immense, but it depends on a few key factors, like your niche, channel size, and monetization strategies. Let me break it down. AdSense revenue. This is the most common source. A channel in a profitable niche can make $3 to $15 per 1,000 views. Imagine getting 1 million views a month across multiple channels. You could earn anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000, depending on CPM rates. Affiliate marketing. By recommending products or services in your videos, you earn a commission on sales. A single affiliate campaign can bring in thousands of dollars. Sponsorships. Brands are willing to pay creators for promoting their products. Depending on your niche, this could range from $500 to $10,000 per video. Merchandise and digital products. Some creators sell branded merchandise or courses to generate additional income.
That's impressive. Could you share an example of a successful automated channel?
Sure, consider Tech Talk Review. They specialize in reviewing gadgets. They outsource scripts, hire editors, and use AI for voiceovers. With consistent uploads and good SEO, they've scaled to 2 million monthly views, earning $8,000 from AdSense alone.
Michael, you've mentioned that niche selection is critical. What makes a niche profitable, and how can someone choose the right one?
This is a make or break step. Here's how to approach it. High demand, low competition. Use tools like Google Trends or Ahrefs to analyze search volume and competition levels. Niches like personal finance, tech reviews, and fitness often perform well. Audience value. Some niches have higher CPMs. For instance, finance channels earn higher CPMs because advertisers pay more for those audiences. Passion versus profit. If you're planning to oversee content ideas, pick something you're genuinely interested in. For example, if you love gaming, a Best Gaming PCs channel might be a great choice.
What's an underrated niche that listeners should consider?
Health hacks. People are always searching for quick wellness tips. If done well, this niche can attract a loyal audience.
Now, once you've picked a niche, the next step is scripting. What goes into a good script?
A great script has 3 core elements. Hook. Grab attention within the first 10 seconds. For example, start with, "Did you know you could save $10,000 in taxes with this simple hack?" Storytelling. Keep the viewer engaged by weaving a story. If it's a tech review, talk about how a gadget solved a real problem. Call to action. Always guide your audience, like asking them to subscribe or check out a product link.
Are there any tools or tips for creators who struggle with writing?
Absolutely. Tools like Jasper AI can help generate ideas and outlines. You can also hire freelance writers on Fiverr or Upwork.
Voiceovers are another important aspect of video creation. Do creators need to record their own voice?
Not at all. There are several flexible options to suit different needs and budgets. AI voice generators. Tools like Murph.ai or 11 Labs are revolutionizing voiceovers. They offer natural-sounding voices, with options for accents, tones, and languages. These tools are great for consistency and quick production. Example, Murph AI allows you to edit voiceovers as easily as text, ensuring every word matches your visuals. Freelance voice artists. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork connect you with professional voiceover artists. Prices range from $30 to $300 depending on the script length and quality. Tip: look for voice artists with demo reels to find the best match for your brand. DIY setup. For those who prefer personal branding, invest in a high-quality microphone like the Blue Yeti or Shure SM7B. Combine this with free tools like Audacity or premium options like Adobe Audition for editing. Pro tip: record in a quiet room with minimal echo for the best sound quality.
What's the best way to manage video editing in an automated workflow?
Video editing is a cornerstone of creating engaging content. Here's how you can simplify it. Tools. Premium software like Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro offers customizable templates and features like motion graphics to elevate your videos. For beginners, DaVinci Resolve or CapCut are free and user-friendly. Outsourcing. Hire experienced editors from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. This frees up your time while ensuring professional results. AI tools. AI-driven editors like Pictory or Descript can automatically convert scripts into videos, adding relevant stock footage and captions. Example: Pictory helps create a polished video from just a text outline. It's perfect for tutorials and explainer content.
What's one tip for keeping videos engaging?
Use quick cuts to maintain pacing, add dynamic animations to explain ideas, and always include captions for accessibility. Videos with captions have a 12% higher watch-through rate.
Thumbnails play a massive role in attracting viewers. What makes an effective thumbnail?
The perfect thumbnail is a combination of design, psychology, and strategy. Human expressions instantly draw attention. A surprised or happy face often performs well. Why? It triggers curiosity and emotional connection. Use bold text. Highlight catchy phrases like secret, free, or how to. Make the text readable even on small screens. Contrast colors. Bright and contrasting colors help your thumbnail stand out among others on YouTube's crowded interface. Example: use tools like Canva or Adobe Express to create professional thumbnails with ease.
Where can creators find free, copyright-safe resources for their videos?
Using copyrighted materials can lead to strikes, so stick to these platforms. Stock images and videos. Websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash provide free high-quality visuals. Music. Use platforms like Epidemic Sound, Artlist, or YouTube's own audio library for royalty-free music. Always check the licensing terms to avoid issues. Graphics and templates, Envato Elements and Motion Array are great for overlays, transitions, and intros.
Let's dive into SEO. How can creators optimize their videos for visibility?
SEO ensures your videos reach the right audience. Here's a breakdown. Keywords. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidiQ help find trending and relevant keywords. Example: use keywords like passive income 2024 for a niche audience. Titles. Create intriguing titles like Top 5 Secrets to Passive Income. Clarity and curiosity are key. Descriptions and tags. Write detailed descriptions that include keywords naturally. Add a few specific tags to improve discoverability.
Can someone outsource their entire YouTube channel management?
Absolutely. Full-service YouTube automation agencies handle everything: niche selection, identifying profitable and trending topics, content creation, script writing, video production, and editing. SEO, optimizing titles, tags, and metadata for higher rankings. Example: companies like Channel Makers provide end-to-end solutions for budding YouTubers.
Finally, what's a solid action plan for beginners?
Follow these steps for a strong start. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Focus on quality over quantity. One well-made video will outperform 10 rushed ones. Use data analytics to refine your strategy. Platforms like YouTube Studio offer insights into viewer demographics and behavior. Tip: improve your CTR by experimenting with thumbnails and titles.
Michael, you've shared incredible insights today. To all our listeners, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode. More tips on building passive income are coming soon.
Thanks, Safir. To everyone starting their YouTube automation journey, remember, consistency and creativity are key. Best of luck.